Hello, weather enthusiasts. Heavy snow, intense rain, and strong winds are expected in the United Kingdom over the next 5 days due to the convergence of a cold polar air mass with an Atlantic low-pressure system. For more details, please watch this video in full, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell for updates. Dear viewers, afternoon, evening, and night of this Monday, the sky will be mostly cloudy to partly cloudy in most regions of the United Kingdom, with moderate to light rain expected in Wales, England, and most areas of Scotland, except the far north of Scotland, which may not experience rainfall. Some light rain is also possible in the western islands of the kingdom and perhaps even parts of Northern Ireland. Snowfall is expected in the central inland areas of Scotland, specifically in regions including Achnasheen, Shieldaig, South Rosehall, East Stromaferry, Tomich, Drumnadrochit, Fort Augustus, West Alness area, South Inverness, Tomatine, Aviemore, Grantown-on-Spey, Rothes, Dufftown, Keith, Huntly, Alford, Strathdon, Ballater, Banchory, Tarfside, Braemar, Clover, Kirkton of Glenisla, Pitlochry, Kingassy, Dalwhinnie, Bridge of Balgie, and East Fort William. The weather will be cold in northern Scotland, with temperatures dropping to below freezing in some areas. Relatively strong winds, with speeds ranging from 50 to 70 kilometers per hour, are expected in northern and southern England, northern Wales, the western islands of the kingdom, and possibly even some areas in southern Scotland and Northern Ireland. Dear viewers, there will be a chance of stable weather and clear, sunny skies during Tuesday, December 26th, in most areas of the United Kingdom. However, the weather will be cold with low temperatures in Scotland and northern England, where temperatures may drop below freezing. This stable weather won't last long. Soon cloudy and rainy weather will return to the kingdom, starting from the evening hours. An Atlantic frontal low-pressure system will approach, leading to rainfall in Wales, southern England, and Northern Ireland. This low-pressure system will gradually extend to all regions and cities of the kingdom during Wednesday, December 27th. Rain will cover every area and city in the kingdom, with heavy rain expected in many regions, especially Wales, Northern England, Northern Ireland, and most of Scotland. Rainfall measurements may exceed 20, 30, 40, 50 millimeters, or even 60 millimeters in some areas. Due to the significant convergence of the isobar lines related to the atmospheric pressure of this low-pressure system, strong to very strong winds with speeds ranging from 60 to 90 kilometers per hour are expected in most areas of the kingdom. On the other hand, the cold polar air coming from the north will contribute to snowfall in northern England, most of Scotland, and the Northern Isles as well. Snow will be heavy in Scotland, with some areas experiencing snowfall up to 20, 30, or even 40 centimeters. Since most Scottish and Northern Isles areas will witness snowfall, here is a list of the most important areas in northern England that will experience snowfall: Hawes, Ripon, Northallerton, Helmsley, Botton, Lofthouse, Leburn, Richmond, Kirkby Stephen, Shap, Penrith, Keswick, Ambleside, Alston, Barnard Castle, Bishop Auckland, Durham, Stanhope, Consett, Haltwhistle, Bellingham, Horsley, and Kielder. The effects of the Atlantic low-pressure system and the polar air mass will persist over the United Kingdom during Thursday, December 28th and Friday, December 29th. Moderate to light rain will continue in Wales, most areas of England, central Scotland, and the western islands of the kingdom. Snowfall, especially on Friday, will continue in many areas of Scotland, with some snow expected in northern England and Wales. As for Saturday, December 30th, some snow may continue in eastern Scotland, and the weather will stabilize with mostly clear and sunny skies in the remaining areas. There will be a significant drop in temperatures in most regions of the kingdom. Now, here is the snow accumulation forecast for the next 5 days. Between 20 and 55 centimeters in the following areas: Killin, Bridge of Balgie, Tindrum, Tarbet, Inverarray, Lochawe, Aberfeldy, Pitlochry, Kirkton of Glenisla, Clover, Taffside, Balata, Braemar, Strathdon, Alford, Aviemore, Kingassy, Dalwhinnie, Fort Augustus, Tomic, between 15 and 40 centimetres in the following areas: Betty Hill, Thurso, Kinbrace, Achnasheen, Fort William, Loch Gilfhead, Aberfoyle, Crieff, Dufftown, Moffat, Alston, Stanhope, Lerwick, Bray, Tobe, Bolter Sound, less than 15 centimetres in the following areas: Lancaster, Burnley, Settle, Ripon, Northollerton, Hawes, Kendal, Middlesbrough, Lofthouse, Skipton, Leburn, Richmond, Barnard Castle, Kirkby Stephen, Sedberg, Shap, Penrith, Ambleside, Keswick, and also Bishop Auckland, Durham, Darlington, Consett, Holtwhistle, Hexham, Prudhoe, Bellingham, Horsley, Rothbury, Ogle, Alnwick, Kielder, Wooler, Berwick, Carlisle, Workington, Wigton, Langholm, Dumfries, Howick, Galashiels, Dunbar, Edinburgh, Armidale, Lanark, Cumnock, Carsfern, Glasgow, Newton Stewart, Girvan, Ayr, Kilwinning, Greenock, Stirling, Perth, Glenrothes, Dundee, Forfar, Montrose, Stonehaven, Aberdeen, Old Meldrum, Peterhead, Fraserburgh, Buckie, Turriff, Elgin, Inverness, Alness, Goldsby, Rosehall, Ullapool, Gaierloch, Stromeferry, Mallaig, Oban, Lochinver, Kinlochbervie, Wick, Kirkwall, Bala, Langardfan, Lanhurst, Pontrid Fendigate, and Landovery.